Friends, hello, it's Victor with you and welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I trade binary options on the PocketOption platform, and in the description below this video you'll find a link to my Telegram channel where you can ask me any questions you have. And you'll also find a link to my private Telegram channel where I share my daily trading signals. I also run weekly marathons to help you increase your deposit from $150 to $5,000, guys. So this happens every week. Be sure to join this marathon. In addition, if you text to my Telegram, you will get a link to sign up for PocketOption with a gift deposit, 50% absolutely free as a nice bonus. So as we can see, the price has broken through its local level after a small accumulation. Now there's a small pullback after which the growth will continue. I make an up trade for $200, binary option traders, economics and mathematics. Trading options charts, price, it all sounds complicated, doesn't it? Almost immediately a beginner will ask about this. Where are so many things here? And I haven't mathematics, economics, finance, politics, I barely count interest on a calculator. So, and what are my chances here? Here I'm watching the economic news and their inflation, the discount rate of the central bank and industrial production index, Eurobonds, and a lot of other terms. You read all this and you think, is trading really for me? In fact, the whole world of trading can be divided into two types: algorithmic, intuition. Reading interviews with successful traders or books about them, we suddenly find out that some do not have an economic or mathematical education, while others have brilliant mathematical abilities. So the trade brought me $368. It looks like the price doesn't really want to grow back. I'll probably make a down trade for $200. A good quote from one trader. There are a lot of smart people working in this industry. They are educated, well-read, understand finance, believe that they can make analytical forecasts, have trading experience, and some even teach their other people trade on stock exchange. But most, you see how interesting it is? There are a lot of economics on the market, but money is often made by people who seem to be completely outside the market. Do ordinary people have any chances in trading? Yes, absolutely. A person of a humanitarian mindset doesn't work with the market at all, but with himself. With the reflection of the market in your mind. For an algorithmist, with reflection is a mathematical model embedded in a trading robot. For the humanitarians, such a mirror is his own inner world, personal perception of market realities and their interpretation. The trade closed at $368. Oh, I see the price is going to rise, so I make an up trade for $200. And what is the average age of a successful trader? If you don't have to be a 60-year-old economics professor in trading, it's possible to be an 18-year-old kid. People who are not related to trading will say that this is impossible and will be wrong. It's exactly the opposite. Moreover, the average age of a trader in an investment bank is up to 25 years. If you are old, do not take a job. Banks only need fresh, hot trading brains. Curtis Face, for the famous turtle experiment, received $52 million from Richard Dennis in management when he was 19 years old. Do you remember yourself at 19? So Nicholas Darvas, a trading legend, was a young professional dancer who traded in between performances. And no, he wasn't a fan of cousins. His system was based on the fundamental and vivid technical analysis. He drew such boxes on graphs. So the trade brought me again $360. The price is rising and I follow it. I make an up trade for $200. Trading is very simple. Yeah, right. So you come to a technical analysis, to candle analysis, continuously study the price movement, learn hundreds of different factors, and you study continuously every single day. Over time, it turns out that any system, no matter how complex it is, always gives losses and experienced hands. Wherefore, without the basics of economics and technical fundamental analysis, there is simply nothing to do here. You need to do exactly the opposite. Focus on simple tools and bring them to perfection. How many times have I analyzed charts, studied economic news, and came to the same conclusion? The basics are not important. Complicating it won't get any better. You should understand the binary options as well as forex or stock exchanges are far from an easy method of making money on the internet. But it's not the most difficult. Why should I lie to myself? This is not a mathematical theorem to prove. It is difficult here, first of all, psychologically, not technically. The trade brought me, again, $368. So the price tends to go up. Well, when I'm behind you, I'm going to buy for $200 should a trader be an economist. At the time, it will come to you that trading is no more difficult than any job. Any specialist, a professional in his field, is engaged in something that can be compared to trading. He analyzes, studies, makes practical conclusions, learns from his mistakes. This is trading. So this is why in binary options or forex you don't have to try to understand the whole economist trade. It's useless. Leave it to the Nobel laureates and other chatterboxes. So who have been trying and plotting for decades and are unable to predict a single elementary economic crisis. For everyone, it's always a surprise. So as for me, the trade brought $368. We continue to follow the price. I make an up trade for $200. Experts are never financially responsible for their own forecasts. A trader risks his money every single day, and each time he bears full responsibility for his forecast, working with personal and sometimes other people's funds that investors entrusted to him. These are completely different categories of people, a practicing trader and a theoretical economist. And here are the results of this LCI 2015. The annual trading competition. Pay attention to the participant with the nickname Neva V. Do you know who it is? 70-year-old granny. Her grandchildren came to collect the prizes. Nina herself is not in a good health to make such trips. That did not prevent her from winning one of the contest's nominations. Well, the best private investor in the stock market was, on the contrary, a young girl. So much for gender priority. Men are not leaders everywhere. Oh no. So the trade brought me $360 once again. So guys, thank you so much for watching this video till the end. Don't forget to write your comments down below and make sure to give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel because there's always only useful information and the most interesting analysis. So that's all for today. Wish you luck in your future training session and see you in the next video. Bye.